everyone like this. You are with me. Everyone join your hands. Close your eyes. Kaushik, join your hands. Sarvesh, join your hands. Yeah. You are with me. You are infinite. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wind beneath my flight. You define me, my potential inside. Today I praised with all my might. I shall achieve you, my potential inside. Just rub your hand, put it in your face, rub your hand, put it in your face, rub your hand, put it in your face, and go relax. Everyone stand for the warm up. Stand up for the warm up. Yes.
What's going on?
Left side. Right side. Up. Touch your toes. Touch your toes. Touch your toes. Touch in the sky. Roll your hands. Right side. Roll. Jump. Clap. Jump. Jump. Round. 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 Round, 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 round. Stop. Very nice, kids. You want to drink water? Drink water. Everyone drink water. Everyone drank water. Okay. Everyone remember that Roly Poly song? Who will remember that rhymes? Roly Poly. Who will sing? Jasna, can you sing? Roly Poly Roly. Who will sing?
Roly
Roly Poly Roly. Up, up, up. Roly poly roly, down down down. Roly poly roly, side side side. Roly poly roly, front front front. Roly poly roly, big big big. Roly poly roly, small small small. Roly poly roly, slow slow slow. Roly poly roly, fast 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 fast. Yay! Very nice, na? Okay. See, my two girls are very sad, Ritika and Jasna. What happened? Okay. Okay, kids, can you remember that what I taught you on Friday?
Friday என்னமா சொன்னாங்க?
What I taught you on Friday? What letter is that? What letter is that? Who will say me? What letter is that? B. What is the sound of B? Very good, Vishwan. Yay, a big rocket clap. Yay. Wow, nice. So everyone remember that sound, huh? What is the sound of B? And what is the sound of A? What is the sound of A? Ah, very good, Nishin. It was very nice. Big clap. Yay, a big clap. Yay, nice, super. So, I will tell me what the object is that B for what? Tell me what I taught you, na? B for ball. Yes. Ball. What is second one? What? I'm asking only B. B for bat. Bat. B for B. B. B for box. Box. B for balloon. Balloon. B for books. Books. B for boat. Boat. B for bear. Bear. Okay? I will show you. Anyone remember that B rhymes? I see big letter B. I see big letter B. It comes and boats and books. It comes and boats and books. One standing line, two curved line. It looks like that. Everyone remember that? Or no? Tell me yes or no. No? Okay. I will show you. What is this, kid? Capital B. What is this? Small b. What letter is this? Capital B. And this one? Small b. I see big letter B. I see big letter B. It comes and boat and books. It comes and boat and books. One standing line, two curved line. One standing line, two curved line. How this is look. One standing line, two curved line. How it looks. How it looks. Okay. What is before? Boat. Before? Boat. Before? Boat. Before? B. Ah. Who will sing the I see big letter B? Who is singing?
Kaushik ma'am.
Kaushik. Very nice. Very nice. Big clap. Very nice. Kaushik. Before? B. Before? Bird. Before? Balloon. Balloon. Before? Book. Book. Everyone remember that story, Mama Bee and Baby Bee? Everyone remember that? Yes or no? Yes? Everyone remember that? No, na? I will again explain you. One day, Mama Bee took baby to the park. Did you see? This is Mama Bee. This is Mama Bee. This is Baby Bee. One day, Mama Bee take Baby Bee to the park. When she went to the park, the Baby Bee saw the balloon seller. Then Baby Bee demand to the Mama Bee, Mama, Mama, I want balloon. I want balloon, Mama. Then Mama take one balloon and give it to the Baby Bee. After receive the baby bee balloon, he is playing a lot with the balloon. He is flowing the balloon like this. He's fighting with this. He is running with that balloon. She was very happy to play, have the balloon. He was very happy to have the balloon. And he is playing with this balloon. He is doing more playing a lots of playing with the balloon, and he was very happy. After he was playing, the balloon is flew away. Then Baby Bee is crying, my balloon, Mama, my balloon. When Baby Bee is crying, then Mama Bee take to home back. And then he said to Baby Bee, when we go to again park, then I will again purchase for you a balloon. Then Baby Bee become a happy. Everyone remember that story? Baby Bee and Mama Bee? Yes? If you remember that, show me a thumb. Yes or no? Okay. Before, did you know who is a friend of bee? Kids, you have a friend, na? Kaushik has a friend, Nishwant has a friend, P. Nishwant, Jasna has a friend, Pritika. You also have a friend like that. We also have a friend. Did you know, kids? Like that, we also have a friend. Like B for box. Box is a friend of bee. Box is a friend of bee. Baba box. Like B is a friend of B. B is a friend of B. B is a friend of bat. B is a friend of bat. Bat. B is a friend of balloon. B is a friend of balloon. B is a friend of bear. B is a friend of bear. I see big letter B. I see big letter B. I see big letter B. One standing line, two curved line. How it's slow, how it's slow. Okay, who will sing me the B rhymes? Who will sing? Jasna has to sing. Jasna?
I neglected one something lion, two something lion,
One standing line. One standing line, two curved line.
two go lion.
How it's look, how it's look. Okay? Very good, very good, very good. Your rocket clap. Very good. Now, Nishwant has to. Nishwant, can you please sing this rhyme?
Rhyme சொல்லு யஷ்வந்த்
One standing line, two curved line. One standing line, two curved line. Look like that. How it's look, how it's look. Okay, very good kids. Yay! Very good, very nice. Okay. Open your worksheet, everyone. Open your workbook. Everyone, open your workbook. Number is D13LTWS01. D13LT. D13LT.
இதுதாரா
Number 3.
3 நம்பர் நம்பர் 3
Show me.
Oh,
It's a butterfly pattern. Yeah, very good. It's a butterfly pattern. Yeah. Everyone open that? Yeah. Correct, Jasna. What about Nishwant? Kritika say yes. Very good. Okay, tell me what is the pattern of this? What pattern is that?
two curve lines B వచ్చిందిಲ್ಲ
Two curved line. Butter has a two curved line. Butterfly has a two curved line. What pattern is that? Two curved line. Two curved line.
Two curve lines சொல்லு.
Yeah, butterfly has a two curved line. Butterfly wings has a two curve. Can you see the butterfly wings? Two curved line.
Two curve line.
The butterfly has a two curved line.
Curve line.
Yeah. So see how I am drawing.
Missing வரையறாங்க.
You have to trace with the green dot and with the red dot. Trace with the green dot
இங்கே பாரு.
and with the green dot. You have to start with this pink line and end with this two blue line. In between two blue line was there. You have to end with the second blue line. First green line, Then second blue line. You have to do only 2 row. Fast you have to trace this. Everyone do? Only 2 row. Only 2 row. Not another row. Only 2 row. Others you can do at home. Do with the green line. And with the red dot. Go with the green line. And with the red dot. Go with the green line. And with the red dot. Go with the green line. And with the red dot. Next butterfly. Go with the green line. And with the red dot. Go with the green line, trace it and end with the red dot. Go with the green line and with the red dot. Do fast. Only 2 row, not another row. Only 2 row. Yes. Did you complete another row also, Nishwant? Okay, show me your Jasna once again. Very good. Do with another row. The star for Jasna and Nishwant. Wow, very nice. The smiley is for T Nishwant. Smiley.
Well,
Very nice. Very nice. Very nice.
నీ జైలు వేసేది
Harshit, show me once again, Harshit. I could not even see that.
నీకు జైలు వేసేది
Wow, very nice. Star for Harshit. Very nice, Jasna. Very nice. Now keep it side. Others you can do at homework as a homework. Very nice, Kaushik. Very nice. Keep it side. Others you can do as a homework. Very nice. Very nice. What about Pritika? Pritika, did you finish Kanna? Very nice, Nishwan. Yeah, others keep it side. Others you can do as a homework. Pritika, did you finish Kanna? Only Sarvesh and Pritika Sri is left. Show me, Pritika. I will give you a star. You want star? I will give you a star. Show me. Show me, show me. Show me it's closely like this. So show to me it's close like this. Like this. Yes, very good. I give you star. Parents, can you please give a star on behalf of me to Pritika? Very nice, Pritika. Very nice. A big rocket clap to everyone. Yay! Wow, wow. Superb, superb, superb. Everyone's superb. Sarvesh, did you finish? How much you finished? Show me. How much line you finished? Show to me. Don't do this, Dushman. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Kaushik, ma'am. Are you telling something? Sorry, I could not able to hear you. Sarvesh, can you please show to me how much line you completed, Kanna? Okay, one line only. Okay. Okay. Do second line also. Sarvesh, hold a pencil like this. You have to hold a pencil like this. Don't hold the pencil like this. Everyone hold a pencil like this. See. Just three finger. Use a three finger. Only three finger you have to use. Okay, don't do this. Use three finger. Okay, Sarvesh, later you can do as a homework. Very nice, Sarvesh. Later you can do as a homework. I'm just presenting my screen. See another one. Okay, kids. Can anyone show to me how you open the finger and you have to count 1 to 3? 1, 2,
சொல்லு
3,
2,
4, 5.
1,
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So everyone knows how to count the finger with the help of the finger. Am I right? Okay, kids. Tell me what you see up. What you see up? What is in your up? See up. What is that? Fan. Fan and ceiling it was? Yes or no? In your up there was a fan and ceiling? Yes or no? Yes. Can you see down? What is that? Can you see down? What is that? There was a mat, there was a chair, there was a carpet, or there was a what? Floor. Am I right? What do you see up? Fan and ceiling. What do you see down? Carpet, floor. Am I right? Yes or no? Yes, na? Like that, I will ask you some questions.
Floor, ma'am. Floor.
Come. One, two, three.
Up and down.
Okay, everyone, kids, do your hands up.
Up.
Do your hands up. Yes. Do your hands down.
Two.
Hands down.
Do your hands down. Everyone, open your workbook again. Okay, what color is in my up hand? What color is it?
Green.
And what color is in my down hand?
Down green color. Nishu.
What color?
What color?
Green. What color?
What is that in my up hand?
Green. And what color?
So what is that? And what is that in my down hand?
Down green.
Open.
Mouse.
Mouse. Okay. Open your workbook, everyone.
Mouse in the color.
And that number is D13 empty. D13 empty.
Balloon color, balloon.
D13 empty. Yeah, D13 empty. Everyone open that? Show me. If you open that, see my screen. This is a picture. It was there.
What is that number, ma'am?
D13 empty. NUR D13.
No, we can't find in that workbook actually. D13 empty is missing.
D13 was not there.
D13 is not here.
You can eat the seed.
D14 is here. D12 is here, but D13 is not here.
Eat
D13 was not there. Okay, ma'am. I will do one thing and I will let you know on the WhatsApp.
Yeah, okay.
Everyone, what about others? What about others?
It's not there, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, I will let you know on the WhatsApp, not to worry. I will let you know on the WhatsApp. Okay. If it's not there, I will send you one picture in your WhatsApp. Okay. Just do it in WhatsApp. Okay. Just do it and in your mobile itself. This homework you have to do in your mobile itself, and then you have to take a screenshot and you have to send me back. Okay. Okay. Clear? I will send you this picture in your WhatsApp group. You do this homework in your mobile itself. Okay, there was a edit option was there. You use that one and do it, and you have to send me back on my WhatsApp. Okay? Clear? Okay? Not to worry.
Okay.
So this one is a homework for you, everyone. Okay? Okay. Did you know, kids, today who want to meet you? Someone want to meet you. That name is Rahul and Pooja. See? Say hi to Rahul. Rahul is back.
Yeah.
And Pooja is also back.
Rachel, hi.
Hi. Hi.
What you have to say to Rahul and Pooja, kids?
How are you?
Hi.
Hi Rahul. Hi Pooja.
Hi. Dan Tata.
Hi. Did you know what about Rahul and Pooja is doing at the class?
I true.
No?
True.
Did you know Rahul is doing something and Pooja is got angry?
Sound.
Ah, I told you now on Friday itself about the emotion, smiley, angry, sad, crying like that. I show you now. So Pooja is doing something and Rahul is also doing something. Then Pooja is become sad and crying. I tell you the story about that. Rahul and Pooja. Then Rahul is saying to hi everyone and Pooja is saying to you hi everyone. See, one day Rahul and Pooja are playing with the blocks. Yay, 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 yay. Hi Rahul, I'm making aeroplane, Rahul. Pooja, I'm making ship, a big ship I'm making, Pooja. We play together, Pooja. Yes, Rahul, we play together. Pooja was making a aeroplane, a big aeroplane, and Rahul is making with the help of the blocks a big ship. Both are making. One is making aeroplane with the help with the blocks, and Rahul is also making a big ship with the help of blocks. Then when Pooja is making aeroplane, she want one big block. Who that Rahul have that blocks? Pooja want that blocks to complete a aeroplane. Did you know? Then Pooja said, Rahul, hi Rahul, can you give me that block? Then Rahul said, no, I don't want to keep it. Then Pooja again say, I want to make my ship, Pooja. I don't want to give you. Then Pooja say, please Rahul, can you give me one block to complete my aeroplane? Please Rahul. Then what did you know, kids? What Rahul is doing? Rahul pushed Pooja and he fall down on the floor. And then Pooja make crying. Then Rahul saw Pooja got hurted. Then Rahul make very sad. Pooja is crying. Then Rahul said, Pooja, please don't be cry. I gave you my blocks to complete your aeroplane. After you making aeroplane, then I will make my ship, Rahul. Ship, Pooja. Please don't be cry. I'm sorry about that. Then Pooja say, I'm also sorry. I'm also hurted you, Rahul. No, Pooja. I am sorry. I pushed you. You are crying. I'm so sorry, Pooja. I will not do again these things. Shall we become friend again? Okay, Rahul. Shall we become friend again? Then, no kids, what Rahul is did? Rahul gave her blocks to the Pooja. And then they both are playing together. First, Rahul helped to the Pooja to complete a aeroplane. Then after completing the aeroplane, both are playing with the airplane. Shh, they are playing like this. Then after, then Pooja said, thank you, Rahul. You gave me that blocks to complete my aeroplane. Shall we make your ship for Rahul? Pooja said to Rahul. Rahul said, okay, Pooja, we'll make a ship. Then we play together with the ship. Then Pooja gave that big block of ship to make Rahul make a ship. Then both are making a big ship together. After the completing the ship, they are playing with the ship. both are playing together and feeling very happy. When we complete our Pooja make the complete the aeroplane and Rahul make his slip, and both played together and they did friendship again and they may feel very happy. What did you learn on this story, kids? Shall I ask you one question? Okay. Okay. When Rahul pushed the puja, how's the puja feeling? It was crying or sad? Crying or sad? When Rahul pushed the puja to the floor, puja, how the puja is feeling? Crying. Very good. When see the puja while crying, how the Rahul face was? Sad or happy?
Heavy. B.
When the puja take her all the blocks, how was the Rahul face? Angry. When you take my things, how your face it was angry. Show me your angry face.
Angry face చూస్తుందా మ్యామ్ angry face చూసి ఓషి angry face చూసి మ్యామ్ దగ్గర మ్యామ్ angry పోపో
Show me a smiley face. When did they become a friend? Then how the face it was?
angry face చూసి
Smiley. They both are happy. The happy face was smiling. Am I right, kids? Yes. Okay. Okay. One day I taught you now about the how to clean the wound. What material we have in our first aid kit? What material we have in our first aid kits? Kit?
So, cotton,
Cotton.
Dettol,
Cotton, antiseptic liquid,
Dettol,
antiseptic cream, bandage. Am I right? Yes. How to clean the wound? We have to first wash our hand. Then we apply help of the cotton. We have to apply antiseptic liquid. Then we have to apply the antiseptic cream. Then we cover it with the help of bandage to healing our wound. Am I right, kids? One day I taught you now.
yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. So you have to do like that only. Okay. Okay. Everyone start for the our imaginary activity. Okay. I will let you know how it is work. Then you have to do. Okay. I am audible to everyone. Parents, will you please confirm me? I am audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'm sharing my screen. You have to click the kidsy imaginary.
Lion, giraffe, a bird, crab.
Then you have to click the nursery part. Then all file will be downloading to your app. There was an option underwater adventure. You have the water animal, all this seats you have. But today we have to learn about the shark activity. How the shark is doing, how shark is attacking, how shark is running, how shark is swimming. Okay? Click the shark. Then you have to scan.
It's
Shark.
Shark.
What is this, kid? Shark. See. Did you see shark in my laptop? Did you see shark in my laptop? How shark is swimming? Yes, shark is swimming. How shark is ducking? How is ducking? How shark is attacking? Shark want to eat, he's attacked one another fish. Attack. He's attacking. Attacking. Boys. Swim. He went to the tap. Tap. Shall we play a game? Puzzle. Okay. You have to leave one blocks and put it here. Mark it. Yay! Okay. We do a memory game. What is this, kid?
Here's some new. Here's some new. Telephone. What is a telephone?
This is dinosaur. It's one type of dinosaur it was. Go
Telephone.
Karnik. Yay!
Yeah. Dinosaur. Lion.
I have to match one picture with the another picture. Okay.
Lion.
Lion.
What picture is this?
Oh,
Balloon.
Cow. We have to match the cow. Okay. What is this, kid? Balloon. We have to put the balloon and match the shape. Yay!
How?
Then we have to pick and match. This one we can match. Yes or no, kids? Yes or no? No. We can match on this.
Yes, ma'am.
And last one is newspaper.
yeah.
Newspaper.
Yay! Like that you have to play. How? You have to scan your seat like this. Parents has to scan the seat like when green color will become. Then your shark is roaming.
మీరు అనుకోవాలి సీట్ ఒకటి ఇస్తాండి ఫిష్ ఫిష్ వదులుతుంది ఫిష్ వదులుతుంది
Duck. Swing.
నోట్లో ఇట్లా పొడుసు ఇంకో బలం ఉంట కాదు అడా ఇంకో బలం అడా ఇట్లా సాక్స్
அங்க பாரு அங்க ஒரு ஷாப்ல இருக்குது லைன் அங்க போயிட்டு போயிட்டாங்க முடிச்சிட்டாங்க
Okay. Kids, parents, everyone observed that how I share my screen, how I did.
இரு
Parents, any doubt about that? Parents, please anyone confirm anyone any doubt? You have
No
to
doubt,
do
ma'am.
and
No, ma'am.
How much time it taken? No doubts, ma'am.
Okay.
I scanned the picture.
After you do this, you have to take a photo
Oh, okay, ma'am.
like that. You have to take a photo. Ma'am, send one photo in group. This is Harshit photo. It was that like that. You have to take a photo and you have to send the photos in our WhatsApp. Did you like the shark? How shark is swimming, kid? How shark is swimming on the water? In the water, how shark is swimming? Yeah, like that. How shark is ducking? How shark is attacking? How shark is attacking? When shark eats something, he is attacking to the fish. To want to eat the fish, he is attack one fish and want to eat up. Everyone, do this activity at home and take one picture and send it to me in WhatsApp group. Okay? Okay, kids? Time to say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. Lion.
Finish.
Bye, kids.